So hey y'all, and welcome back to Leesah's Cottage. This is just a spur of the moment thing here. I thought I would pull out my camera and bring you all along, give you a little wee peek into what may be going on within me wee little mind. Today didn't do much, however I did get a 30-minute walk-in. Yay me. I had to remember though, slow my pace down. I was didn't need to be in a hurry, even though I had a certain amount of mileage in my mind that I wanted to reach. I had to remember I did just have, I call it in-office procedure done Friday. It has been called surgery. Went real well. Everything looks good. He ended up taking 2 of the 3 places off. Just wants me to treat that 3rd place along with extending the treatments on my hands and arms a little bit longer. But that's okay, because I kind of suspected that might happen. And it happened, because my hands are really just now starting to have a good reaction. So we definitely don't want to stop it too soon. He did the one on my stomach and the one on my shoulder. The one on my shoulder, 4 sutures. The one on my stomach took 10 sutures. So 14 sutures total. Got my Valentine's just a day or so early. Somebody picked them up actually yesterday. Gave them to me last night because I met him at the door, and he's like, I was like, oh, flowers. He's like, you weren't supposed to see these. I'm like, oh, how are you going to keep them from me until Wednesday? He said, well, you were going to see them before Wednesday, before Valentine's. I just didn't want you to see them as I was coming in the door. But what I was really doing is hiding to scare him. It worked. Tomorrow will be Valentine's, and what I'm bringing you into my day today, it's kind of late in the day, almost 2 o'clock. Need to fold these clothes, get them put away. I just kind of worked in the kitchen today, took things off the counter, gave it a good washing down with my warm to hot water and my Dawn dishwashing liquid. Washed all the countertops down, dried them down, and then put my polish on them and polished all the granite here in the kitchen. Happy Wednesday, by the way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna need to slow down. I bet you all are not used to me talking this fast, and I've not even had any caffeine. Well, early this morning I did. I think it was that walk. Ooh. I'm going to go ahead and dust just the tops, the surfaces of my bedroom furniture in here. I need to take both blankets out, and oh, I can't give them a shake like I normally do because my gut is sutured up. That might be too much pulling and tugging. Oh, maybe I'll just go out there and give them a little wiggle. Give them a little wiggle and jiggle. And then I'm gonna get the bed made up, and then the room's gonna be dusted, and I will run the vacuum over the rug here and call this room done today. It's just going to be a quick hurry up and get it done and put back together. But I'm going to spend 30 minutes. This is what I'm bringing you all into my day to share with you. I'm going to have to go in my bathroom here, swing myself around, and of course, you know, this is my bathroom my closet. I'm gonna go in here, and I have a number set in my mind how many items I want to take out of here. Clothing, pieces of clothing, and I've got 25 items in my mind. Oh, I don't know if I'm overestimating, but I'm gonna say I'm gonna go in here and try to remove at least 25 items. I'm gonna go through some of my, which I have a bag down there of skin products that I put some light best I can. Under that blue bag is a little bag that I want to go through and see if there are some items that I can pack up along with sending the makeup brushes to Tara. Here it is. I might just go ahead and send the bag to her too. But I'm wanting to really free up that space so I can just keep this bag sitting flat in there. And that did just what I wanted it to do, to free up that space right there to set my prescription medication bag just flat. It's just one of those OCD things, I suppose. And there's a couple of bags in there that I was keeping products in, but now that I have my makeup set up, I don't need them any longer, so I'm just going to send those to her also. Wrong. She has 3 bags. So my main goal today is what I got the camera out to share with you. I'm not going to be in front of the camera. I'm just in super, super, super baggy clothes today. My hair pulled up, no makeup on. I'm clean. My mouth is clean. My teeth are clean. They've been brushed, I think, at least twice already. Yes, I am a teeth fanatic. When I take my retainers out in the morning and let them soak in their denture cleaner, I do a good brushing on my teeth, and then after breakfast I do a flossing and another brushing. So I at least have had my teeth brushed twice. So my body's clean, my mouth's clean, my hair is clean. It's just pulled up. I'm looking kind of homely, maybe. Looking kind of lost, but I'm not lost. Not today, or not right now anyway. And so I'm not going to be in front of the camera, but I'll just show you what I was able to pull out of here. I'll set my timer and then go over with you all what I was able to pull out in 30 minutes. However, I'm going to dust my furniture first, just the tops. And yes, I do have to do a makeup haul with you all. Gotta do it, gotta do it. An Ulta makeup haul. It may not be anything to you all, but it's exciting for me. I'm gonna get to doing what I said I'm gonna do in here, and then I'll bring you back into what's going on. Okay, it's 2:15 right now. I really don't think it's gonna take me more than 15 minutes just to dust the surface of the furniture in here. Just do a quick vacuum over the rug and get my sheets back on and my bed made. I don't think that's going to take me more than 15. And then from 2:30 to 3, I'm going to go in my closet and give myself 30 minutes to find 25 pieces of something. It's going to be interesting what I find. So I'm going to get started. So, this is the items that I found, and I'm just going to pack it up in this bag here and give her the bag also. But there's some instant manicure stuff that I can't use right now, but I will be able to use again. So there's just a wee bit of one left. I'll ask her if she wants it. If she don't, I'll go ahead and throw it away. But I did keep the others. I'll show you what I did keep. And this is the stuff that I'm going to give to her. Scrub gloves. I don't need a new fresh pair yet, but this is where I keep them. My mask to hold on a face mask so I can walk around the house and look like Jason. Oh, no, just kidding. So I can walk around the house with my mask on if you've not seen them. They're handy dandy. Oh, I look a fright too when I'm wearing it. We actually have a picture of me in it, and I think Ken with the mop head on his head. And the grandkids have that picture of us. They're gonna blackmail us one day. I just know it. And some manicure stuff that I will get to use again someday, just not right now. So that's my bag of goodies. That's what I kept, and I need to order some more face mask, and I'll just put that right back in the closet on the rack I had it on. And these are the clothing pieces. A couple of them were for running, but I'm probably not gonna be wearing those this year. I'll be wearing something to cover my shoulders and my arms a wee bit better. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's 14 pieces of clothing, in which some of that beauty stuff that I brought out came out of here, off of this bottom shelf here. So that's 14 pieces of clothing. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can't pull the rest in clothing. And the beauty face skincare will just be an added bonus. So what? I'm at 14. Let me see what else. This is most certainly exciting. I get 25 pieces of clothing. That's not even, like I said, the skincare. That's just an added bonus. Woohoo! For clear out space for me, and woohoo for the girls. This shirt, I had a Ninja motorcycle. Just a small 250 Ninja motorcycle. Bought it brand new. First time on it, laid it down. Gently laid it down. It was not a big wreck. I just seriously laid it down. I was more worried about if the bike got scratches more than I was worried about me. So I jumped right back up to stand that thing back up. I didn't want it laying on the ground. Anyway, sold it. But I had gotten one of these shirts from the motorcycle shop store. It's a tattoo sleeve. It's so stinking cute. But the sleeves are so tight, they just aggravate me. So I know one of the girls will enjoy that. If Tara will let them wear it. She may not let them wear it. But then she may, and she may keep it for herself. So there's 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, those are just vests, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, this is cute in the back, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, a pair of pants, 23, and 2 of the Realtree, 23. Well, this is the Realtree sweatshirt, and then the other one I think is John Deere. So that's 25 pieces of clothing or articles cleared out of my closet. Yay! Giving myself a pat on the back. And I'll bring them in here so I can pack them up. And that'll show you just how much stuff was cleared out. And ta-da! Bed's made. Sheets on. Bed made. Surfaces dusted. Just the surface. Her dad's gonna walk in and say, "What is all of this about?" He'll be like, "Are we planning on mailing this to her? Because this is what I was getting together for us to mail her makeup brushes that I ordered for her. I ordered a pack for me and her. And they have this real strong smell of paint. And I think the complaint is the adhesive that's on them, that if you will air them out, the smell will dissipate and no longer knock you off your feet." And I told her, I sent her a text and I told her about them. And I said, "Whoa, these things when I opened them had a strong odor of fresh paint." And so I told her what was being said about them. And I said, "And don't be trying to sniff them and going and getting high." And of course she wrote LOL. So this is all I was looking for here to mail with those 24 brushes. And this is what I came up with. We're just going to go ahead and put those 24 brushes in the mail and get them on to her, because she knows that I've already ordered them and that they are supposed to be on their way. But I asked her dad, "Give me one more day to get this stuff together." He didn't realize I was going to be getting this stuff together. So I'm sure he'll be on the game plan too. Now the bananas and apple, that's not hers, that's mine. Here is what I was able to go through my closet today and under my bathroom sink, and I gave myself 30 minutes and I pulled this stuff out within 30 minutes. That was no problem. I was able to get that. And I want to do that again. So my goal was to go into my closet, pull out 25 pieces of clothing in 30 minutes. And I did it. I did it. Now I'm wondering if you would be willing to take this challenge. And then if you do, let me know how it went. Were you able to pull 5 items? 10 items, 15, 25, more than 25? Give yourself 30 minutes and just go in your closet without too much thinking, but yet not haphazard, and set a goal that you want to pull out of your closet and get them. Once you pull them out, don't keep them in the house. So you think, "You know what, now that I'm thinking about that shirt that I bought back when Ken and I bought my first motorcycle, and that shirt has meaning to it, so I've got to keep it." Go ahead and get it out of the house. You can't start trying to talk yourself into keeping it. Are you up for this challenge? Just set a number in your head. 10 items, 5 items, 10 items, 15. You want to go big? 25 items, 30 minutes? Let me know. If I can do it, I know you can do it. I believe in you. And trust me, I'm cheering you on from wherever you're at. Just listen real closely and you'll hear a gal from the hills of Tennessee saying, go you, you can do it, you can do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this stuff out to the trailer, put it in the closet. That way it's not in the house, and I'll try to talk myself out of it. When we pack up, it will already be in there. And I'm just gonna go out to the garage and get a box and start putting this stuff in it. Happy Valentine to you. I hope you have a sweet-filled day, if that's what you want, sweets. I hope you have a joy-filled day, a day full of laughter and lots of love this Valentine's Day of 2018. May it be your best one yet. And this is what I'm going to say. Until we meet again, you all take good care and bye-bye.